These niggas is still sleeping, bro. We're Colombian right now. Come on, bro. Let's go get these niggas. Yo, wake your asses up, bro. Wake your asses up, bro. Wake your asses up, bro. Wake your asses up. Nigga. Bro. Nah, this shit hot as fuck. Holy shit. Oh. Yo. You jumped in?
I jumped in, nigga.
Right,
what? Oh, fuck. Don't jump into that.
Yo, how deep is that
black shit? Nigga, that shit is warm as fuck. You're gonna bet this is probably the warmest nigga pool, bro.
This shit's deep though?
Bruh. Follow me this way. Of course, you see the 8-ball pool shit. Come on out. You see our kitchen right there. You see a little messy, you know what I mean? We'll go clean that shit up. Also, we got a little lounge right here. You know what I mean? What do you think, Gabe? What do you think, Gabe?
Shit. Valid.
That shit valid. TV there, bro. We got TV in every fucking room, bro.
Fucking
follow me this way, bro. Should we go this way?
Yeah.
Nah, I feel like we shouldn't go that way. We should, you know. We should go this way. You feel me? That was my room. It's a little messy, you know, not really that messy, but you know what I mean? This is number 3, Gabe number 2, you feel me? Room 7, so imagine, we shouldn't go to room 5, 4, and 3. Like you can see, that shit bad right here, bro. It's cold, bro.
It's cold, bro.
Look, and then I'll show you the bathroom. What's the light for the bathroom? Oh, yeah. So as you can see, it's calm. Every bathroom has its own shower. Some bathrooms are bigger. You know what I mean? I got the master. Okay. And then, as you can see, now this is bigger right here, right? Yo, this shit. Yeah, bro, this is bigger. For me, this is the upstairs for you. And then, if we go out here, we got a 30-foot door. Okay. You know what I mean? Check pretty big, you know. You know, I'm pretty tall, so you can see a little bit. Federal. Yeah, this shit is out there. You know what I mean? Let me know if you guys trying to come on the next vacation on God. You feel me? But now, we about to eat. So we'll get back to y'all in like 5 seconds, on God.
I ain't want a handout, nigga, I just wanted help. It was me, nobody else. I was outside like if I'm grown. I was cold and all alone. My whole heavy, but I ain't noticed. Nigga, even in the winter, I'm the coldest. I guess I'll switch it up. At 16, I was popping TDs and I'm always. I made my own way for the time that they said that I fucking couldn't. Fast forward 2 years, I'm in the trap now. 20 years old, I'm in the rap now. Everybody put their hat down. I'm a youngin' but the OG salute. I'm talking facts, this shit ain't nothing but true. I always wish to having cribs in the hills and signing deals. Let's bring the melody back. They always hated me, but fuck it, I'm back. They started moving some type of way. Had to separate and move away from niggas that said they supporting, but they really not. You gotta watch who you maneuver with. Your shooter ain't gon' shoot shit. The only thing that changed about me, nigga, I got a new bitch. They shoot first, gotta shoot back. I ain't going like that. I got a home to make it back to. I got a story to tell. I'm crying blood, nigga. I don't even feel the pain. I guess I'm back on road. I licked up the niggas and they shitted on me. Fronted and they told me I wasn't good enough. Now look at me now. Now they blowing on my phone. I declined and I text them, leave me alone.
Llega pa' mi bloque que party, yay, Mari. Llega pa' mi bloque que party, yay, Mari. Llega pa' mi bloque que party. Los menores, los menores, los menores. Los menores, los menores, los menores. Los menores, los menores, los menores, los menores. Hey, aquí mira. Los mejores. Sí. Vete para el sound. Vamos. Vamos a el piquete que detrás.